Friends, this is from Quiz1, October 27, 2024. And which of these algorithms are complete? The question is, which of these algorithms are complete? So first, what is complete? So complete means to find a solution. To find a solution. That is, if it is guaranteed to find a solution, if the solution exists. If the solution exists for a problem, to find the solution, then it is called as a complete algorithm. So depth first search, DFS and BFS, breadth first search and best search, BTFS. All these are algorithms in BFS, DFS and BTFS are search algorithms which are used in search space to find the solution if there exists. How the DFS works? So which of the algorithms are complete? So according to answers, all these are complete, but hill climbing is not complete algorithm. That is, it cannot find the solution. Why? We will see. If the search space where we can find the solutions. If the search space is infinite, it's not infinite. It's not an infinite. That is, if the search space not an infinite search space, DFS, BFS, all these three are correct options. If the search space is infinite, only BFS is the correct answer. BFS, breadth first search, only it can find the solution. That is, this algorithm is only complete. BFS is purely complete. This is a complete algorithm. So complete means it finds a solution. How the BFS, breadth first search, it can search by level. That is level 0. This is level 0. This is level 1. For example, first it can search this one. Next it will come to left or right. Next it will go to C. Next it will come D. Next E, F and G. That is, it can search level by level, like that, level by level. So if the search space is infinite, for example, it is an infinite tree, infinite number of branches, infinite number of childs, so many childs. If the tree is too large, also it can find the solution. This means explores the graphs level by level. First rule. So depth is very less. For this, depth is very less. Breadth wise, it can search the breadth wise like this, level by level. So because of this, it can find the goal node. So this is the complete algorithm. If the search space is infinite or not infinite, also BFS is complete algorithm. Why? Because it can explore the tree, complete graph level by level. Okay, this is the correct answer. Option B is correct. Next, going to DFS, root node. Again it can go to left chain. Next this one, D. Next this one. So like this it will go. If the tree is infinite tree, it will go until infinity. It's not end, right? No end. So it cannot find the goal node. It cannot find goal node. That is, it not complete in all the situations, in all the conditions. It can only complete if the search space is not an infinity. That is, it is a complete if it is not infinity. generally it is not complete algorithm, because if the search space is infinity, it can go depth wise. This is the depth increasing, depth also increasing, it will go to infinity. So depth also increasing if the search space is infinite, or search space is infinite, or sometimes loops also. If it has loops and cycles also, it's not a complete algorithm. If the search space is in general, it is complete complete algorithm. Otherwise, if the search space has infinite and it has loops and cycles, it's not a complete algorithm. It will not backtrack. Backtrack means it will trace the parent, right? Parent. So it cannot find the parent node. That is, it can never backtrack. Because of that, DFS is not complete algorithm in all the situations. Next one is best for search. BTFS, best for search. So in general also it is complete algorithm. In general, search is a complete algorithm in conditions, but if the graph has loops and cycles, in general it is a complete algorithm. That is, it can find the goal node or goal state. Sometimes heuristic is misleading also. Heuristic functions, sometimes heuristic functions mislead the BTFS algorithm, best first search algorithm, makes incomplete. That is it cannot find the goal node. So in all the conditions, that is, it cannot find the goal state or goal node. So why it is not complete algorithm? That is incomplete. Sometimes they miss questions also, they give complete or incomplete. Please be careful. Incomplete algorithm is HC. If it is complete, is not HC. Okay, incomplete, complete. So why it is an incomplete algorithm? That is, it cannot find the goal state. It is a local search algorithm. So local search algorithm means it can struck at a local minima if the function has global minima also. For example, like this, right? If it is a minimum function, it is a global minimum and local minimum. So this is the minimum value, right? For example, its value is -1, its value is 2. If the global minimum value is 0, it can struck at here only. Local function HC, hill climbing, it does not reach this global minimum state. If there are multiple minima, it can always fails to reach the goal. It cannot reach the goal state. According to this question, so which of these algorithms are complete? From these options, it is the search space is not an infinite search space, it is general search space. That is, DFS is a complete algorithm. BFS is also best first search also complete algorithm. If the search space is infinite, only BFS is the answer. So hill climbing is not a complete algorithm if the search space is infinite or not infinite, because it can struck at local maxima or local minimas at plateau regions. It does not reach the goal state and goal node. Okay, Friends, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.